Hey guys, welcome back to Quad Nation, and as you can see, we have the super cool 2004 CR125 here right before you. This is the same spot that I revealed the Mint Banshee, the blue one at that time. This was the same spot. It was almost exactly 1 year ago where all that water was here. You seen the blue Banshee just shimmering, looking so beautiful. So here we are. Same spot. It's just kind of cool because in 1 year I've been able to do so much to really give you guys so much more. I'm hard at trying to give you guys tons of entertainment. It's been tough living in this world today. It really has. Between our, I really want to say really bad things about our government, but I might be censored. Anyhow, and I can say bad things about the government because I'm a veteran. We're not going to go there. We'll talk about that another time if you ever care to listen. So anyhow, back to what I was saying. 1 year ago, we debuted the Banshee right here on the same corner. 1 year forward, we have this super cool CR125. Anyhow, thank you for listening to me. I know many of you probably skipped forward, and that's okay because you did click on this video after all to hear this CR125 scream. So let's get into it. Let's push this thing to its max RPM. Oh, one more thing. This bike has probably only 10 hours. There are no scratches on the original decals. Yes, those are original, not copycat. The original seat, the Honda's still on there, okay? The brakes are brand new. The sprocket doesn't even have any wear, and that's the original expansion chamber, guys. That's the original exhaust. Isn't that crazy? I mean, the paint is still on it. That's unbelievable. The nipples have just barely been worn off the tires. I mean, I can take this thing for one ride and the nipples are going to be done, dissolved in about 30 seconds. So it's as good as it gets, guys. So if you're still with me and you haven't skipped forward, I have a treat for you. Let's hit that power band. I do believe the governor did close this road off today. I'm hoping I sent a letter in for him to do so, but I can't guarantee that there won't be some lawbreakers that still come down here. So hopefully it's all ours. I want to send it hard so we can look at our cool burnout. Second gear hole shot. Ready? Here we go. Delayed reaction. I was in awe. Oh my god. I was literally just taken back. Delayed reaction, can you say? Oh my. Oh, listen to that. Oh man, listen how crisp that power band is. Look at those burnouts. Look how look how close those shifts are. It's like a foot apart. Man, I wasn't even really let me show you guys power shift. I mean, I was speed shifting just then, but let me. Oh man. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. Do second gear launch again. I'm gonna speed shift this time. Ready, guys? Listen to this power band. Oh my god, this thing is so crazy. Oh my god. Oh man. Again, I was not really paying attention to the shifts because I'm just so taken back. This thing is so powerful. Oh my God, I gotta try it one more time. But look how I'm just shifting pretty normal as Quad Nation does still. Quad Nation always shifts fast, but this is just insane. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. Speed shift. Oh my God, I literally cannot have a response through the gears. It's just so I'm just like all smiles, can't speak. I feel like a mute. I should have said that. Please don't, if you're a mute, please don't be upset. Please don't get offended. Well, that's how I feel right now. Man. God. Oh, I should say gosh. Please forgive me, Lord. Look at those. Let me do a hard pull in third gear and you guys can see just second. Let me get in the power band right here. Look at this, third gear. Oh man. Look at this. Right there. The middle one. That's a third gear power pull right there. Insane. Alright, so I can feel that this power band is super aggressive. Let's hit that power band. Let's come on and off. Actually, I want to be on this whole straightaway. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Bear with me for a second. I'm gonna come on and off power band. Here we go, guys. Ready? Let's feel. This power band seems to be super aggressive. Here we go. Oh shit! Here we go. Oh man! You got to be in like fifth gear to really feel the lag and hit power band, because otherwise if you're in like third gear it's just too quick to hit those power band RPMs. Watch. Let Quad Nation demonstrate. Hold on. Ready? Oh shoot! I mean, there was a little bit of lag there, but hold on. Watch fifth gear. Power band! Holy hell! Almost done! Oh my God. Ford has gone liberal. Oh God. It's all electric.